The other day I was using the battery powered chainsaw. I wanted to show that thing off for a couple reasons. One, I really do like the saw. It's a good little saw. And two, because I've been having a really hard time keeping my X-Cut 20-inch chain sharp. I've been sharpening it the way I was always shown how to sharpen a chain for a chainsaw, and it wasn't working. So I started scouring and trying to figure out what was going on, because the chains are relatively new. So I come across a YouTube video of somebody having the same problem, and it's this little guy. It's a sharpening kit they make for it. That's their own little system. And so I've already done it to one chain, and so I figured I'd take you guys through the second chain, and then we'll get out here and get some trees cut down, or some more trees cut down, I should say. So let's get started. That even felt better. Sharpening it, it feels like I got a better cut with the file and everything. It feels like it's going to be a better sharpen. So we'll get out tomorrow. I'll cut some trees and figure out how close I am to what it was when it was new, because when it's brand new, it's like a razor. So if we're anywhere close to that, I'm going to be happy. Overall, that went well. The chain's pretty close to what it was out of the box. I think between both chains, I got 30 or 40, 6 inches in diameter or less trees cut. I mean, in no time. I really wish I'd have known about this sharpening kit sooner. But it goes to show you, if you just search, you'll find it. And yeah, I found it, and I actually found it relatively quickly once I really tried. So anyway, yeah, we're on to the next thing.